Konnected Alarm Panel Wired Alarm System Retrofit Kit. Make any wired alarm system smart. No monthly fees. Works with SmartThings, Home Assistant, Hubitat. Smart home security without the monthly fees. The Konnected Alarm Panel replaces your old security system panel, connecting your existing wired alarm system parts to a compatible home automation platform. Samsung SmartThings, Home Assistant, Hubitat or openHAB. This lets you monitor your home from anywhere without monthly fees. Konnected now works with SmartThings without a hub. Reuse your existing sensors. Millions of homes around the world are already wired with simple and reliable wired door and window sensors, motion sensors, glass break sensors, water leak sensors, and more. Konnected allows you to reuse those sensors and connects them directly to your smart home framework. This means no replacing batteries, no worrying about range of wireless sensors, and no spending hundreds on new wireless sensors. Limitless automation possibilities. With Konnected, you can use your wired door, window, and motion sensors for home automation, like turning on lights when motion is detected or announcing when a door is open with a voice assistant. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.